In this video, we will look at algebraic addition and subtraction. Before that, we need to look at and understand like and unlike terms. So like terms are terms with same variable, and unlike terms are the ones with different variables. For example, if we were to group the like terms in this question, we'd look if they have the same variables. So for the one with x, it's 2x and 20x. For constant, which means only numbers, no variables, it's 14, 19, and 33. For variables with y, the like terms, we have 5y and 9y. For ones with a, we have 9a and 88a. And what's left is just 2b. So these would be the like terms. Let's look at these expressions here. So the first one is 12x minus 13y. The first term, 12x, has variable x, 13y has variable y. These variables are different, and terms with different variables are unlike terms. So these are unlike terms. Next one is x and 3x. Both terms have x, same variable, they're like terms. Next one, 6a, 2a, same variable, like terms. Next one, 44 and 2x. This has no variable, so it's a constant. 2x has a variable, which is x, but they're not the same variable. One has no variable, the other has x, so it's still unlike terms. So the rule is you can only add or subtract like terms. So 12x and 3y, it was unlike, so we can't solve this. Next, x and 3x. X is same as 1x, so we can add this because they are like terms. 1 plus 3 is 4. X is as it is. 1 plus 3x is 1x plus 3x is 4x. Next, 6a minus 2a. They're like terms, so I can subtract 6 minus 2, 4, and a. Last one, it was unlike, so I can't solve it further. Okay, let's say we have this question here, and you need to add and subtract. 17x plus 6y minus 5x plus 9y. So remember, we need to have like terms to add or subtract. Unlike terms, we can't solve them. So let's group the like terms together. So we'll group the x's together first, then the y's. So x is 17, x and 5x. So I'll write it together. 17x and 5x is negative, so I need to bring the sign with it, negative. It's positive 6y. And the last term is positive 9y. Now you have the like terms in like terms, and we add. So 17 minus 5, I'll get 12x, plus 9 plus 6, I get 15y. And x and y are like terms, so I can't solve it further. This is the answer. Next one, we have the variables a and b, and we need to group them together. 9a, is there any other a? No, there isn't, so I can't do anything with the a's. Now I'll focus on the b's. Plus, so they're all together, so I can directly just add first. 15 plus 4, I get 19. Minus 3, 16. So I'll get plus 16b, which is the answer. Now, for example, let's look at this question. You have x squared as one of the variables, y squared, x, and x squared. Let's arrange it so we can write the like terms together. So the one with the same variable I see is 13x squared and 5x squared. Now x and x squared, they're not the same. X squared means it's x times x. So we cannot put x and x squared in the same term section. So let's write the terms together. So 13x squared and negative 5x squared. They're together because they're like terms, so it's easier for us. 12y squared. Y squared has no other like terms. Plus 3x, which is no other like terms. Plus 2. So now 13x squared minus 5 squared. So x squared stays the same. And 13 minus 5, I'll have 8 minus 12y squared plus 3x plus 2, which is the answer. Okay, let's try a final question. First thing would be to rearrange this question so we have like terms together and unlike terms at the side. So, okay, y. I spot another y. There's x squared, and x cubed. So let's write the y's together. 17y plus 2y. And x. Let's write the bigger number first. Positive 14x. Because it's plus here, so I'll bring the plus with it. And 12x squared is negative. 12x squared. Plus the y cubes are together. 18x cubed. So 17y plus 2y. I'll have 19y. 14 minus 12. 2x squared. And 30 minus 18. 12x cubed. And now the answers you have, they're all unlike terms, all different variables, which means you've got the answer.